guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adedoyin, and if this is your first time watching me, you are absolutely welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this hairstyle right here. It's actually a simple hairstyle you can rock to anywhere, to school, to church, for dinner outing, whatever, wherever you're going. It's a simple hairstyle. It's very easy to create with the accessories and all of that. It's just different from the normal, from the usual low bun. You get what I'm trying to say. So let's stick around together and please enjoy this video.
Okay, so the first thing I'm just doing is to make a clean part all the way to the back, making sure that the part is as clean as possible, and I'm just making sure that I'm packing that hair into a small puff just so that I can work properly with the hair. And I'm just making sure to comb through it to make sure that there are no tangles in it, and I'm just trying to make sure that I take my time to make the braid to be as tight as possible, not too tight but something that I can rock for a week. You get what I'm trying to say. And so for this back, the part is actually not that neat because I couldn't see the back of my hair, so please just manage it like that. And so after doing that, I'm just taking my eco styler. I really love this gel because it smells really good and it gives my hair some shine, because it has some glitters in it. I don't know if you've tried it before, let me know in the comment section. And so I'm just applying that all over my hair. I actually applied a lot of it because my hair is thick, it's fussy, and so I'm just going to be applying a lot of that all over my hair. And then I'm just going to be using my brush to work the gel in properly into my hair to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And then I'm just going to be putting my hair into a low puff, or let me say a low pony, something like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to be using my hands to smoothen it in again like that. And then I did the same thing for the second part of my hair, and then I'm just braiding everything together to put my hair in place. So I'm using my got2b glue, and I'm just going to be using that to lay my edges. Like I always say, I want my edges snatched, and so I'm just going to be using that to lay my edges. And now everything is nice and done. I'm just feeling myself here. Okay, so I'm using this scarf to lay my edges further, to lay my entire hair further, to make sure that everything is flat as much as possible. And so look at me here, just feeling myself.
So guys, now that I am done laying my hair, I'm just going to wait for at least 20 minutes or 25 minutes for it to set properly so that everything can lay really flat, plus my edges, I want it snatched. You get what I'm saying? And after that, I'm going to take the scarf down and attach my ponytail extension.
Okay, now that everything is nice and smooth, as you can see, everything is looking really sleek. And so I'm just going to be taking my crochet extension from Style Heaven collection. I'm going to be putting the link about on how to get the hair in the description box. So I'm using 2 bundles, and I'm just attaching that to my own hair, to the bun, and then I'm just going to be rolling it and making sure to cover my own hair. There is no particular way to do this, just roll and pin at strategic places, making sure that my whole hair is covered, and then pinning it at strategic places to make sure that it doesn't fall off my head. Everything is secured, everything is really nice and tight. I actually used a lot of bobby pins here, so if you're going to be doing this kind of hairstyle, get ready to use a lot of bobby pins. I tried to leave it like this, but I wasn't really feeling the look, so I decided to roll the rest of the crochet extension. As you can see here, that's what I'm doing, just rolling it, pinning it, making sure that everything is really tight, and not too tight because I don't want to be getting a headache, just something that is very firm and secure that can't fall off my head. So that's what I'm doing here, just making sure to pin it at different places. A lot of bobby pins will be needed for this kind of hairstyle because I used a lot. And so to beautify the hair further, I'm using these gold hair curls. I'm just placing that on my crochet extensions and also on the braid in the middle of my hair, just to make sure that everything is nice and just to give it a different vibe. You get what I'm trying to say? So that's it for this hairstyle. I hope you like it, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment section, and please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
I don't know if I should put this last one, I don't know how I'm going to look, but let's try it. It's not bad, it's really not that bad, so let me put it. Okay, so yeah.